Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a tricky coding problem. Today, we're diving into a common issue that can stump even the most seasoned programmers. Let's break it down together. So here's the problem we're facing. In our code, we have a simple linked list implementation that hits a snag when we try to delete a node. The strange bug appears when we remove a node from the list, causing unexpected behavior with our head pointer. It's a head scratcher, for sure. Now, for the solution. The key here is to understand that C passes arguments by value, affecting how we handle our head pointer. When we delete a node, the change to the head pointer inside the function doesn't reflect outside of it. To fix this, we can either return the new head pointer from the delete function, or pass a double pointer as an argument for more direct updating. By making these adjustments, we ensure that our head pointer gets updated correctly after deleting a node, preventing any pesky bugs from sneaking into our code. It's all about those small details that make a big difference in how our program functions. And there you have it. By implementing these tweaks to our code, we've ironed out that pesky bug and ensured our linked list operates smoothly without any unexpected hiccups. It's all about understanding the nuances of pointers and memory management in C programming. Well, that wraps up our discussion for today. I hope you found this video helpful in unraveling the mysteries of linked list bugs. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips, like this video if it helped you, and leave a comment below with your favorite programming joke. Until next time, happy coding!